Camp Thunderbird seems like the perfect place for kids to have fun and learn. But is it?
In this shocking expose, we'll investigate every conspiracy associated with Camp Thunderbird.
Anna! Is it true Camp Thunderbird is associated with the Illuminati?
No, not at all.
Are you sure, Anna?
The word Thunderbird has 3 syllables. Guess how many sides a triangle, symbol of the Illuminati, has? 3 sides. Thunderbird plus Illuminati. Confirmed. Join us for this heart-stopping documentary, which critics call unbelievable. And probably slander. Noelle from Digital Media says, I guess it merits a silver card. Written, directed by, and starring Hannah Erbrick, who Steven Spielberg says seems like a good kid. Coming to a theater near you as soon as we get adequate funding.